Can you play the guitar?
Play the guitar.
Till I've won. Guitar hero, hero.
Everything I'm fighting for.
Guitar hero, hero.
You wanna dance?
Guitar hero, hero. Kaylin.
Oh no. Alright. Kaylin, can you turn the Sega on? Yeah, you gotta turn the Sega on.
Oh, right there.
Kaylin, press this button right here. Press that button. There you go.
Yay. Through the fire and flames. Rock before I'm done. I love you.
Okay, there's a baby playing Sonic, and you're watching me. Yeah, hit this button first, honey.
Go, Kaylin.
I love how she holds it upside down.
Can you make him run?
No, she can hit the pause button really fast.
Are you playing a game? Oh,
Yes.
man, look at you.
You know you're holding the controller upside down.
Yeah, you got upside down. Fix it. Like this. There you go. Now play your game.
She's like, no, I want to hold it this way. And make Sonic jump.